We got 2 more days, get a little practice. Go ahead, give that one a try. Sari, what'd you get? 13.4 is correct. When you're doing this, remember, it's like you got parentheses on the top or bottom, so we got to do any operations on the top first. We start with the exponents. We would have our 0.4 squared, so that's 0.4 times 0.4. 4 times 4 is 16. Where some of y'all are messing up is that has 2 decimals, so it's 0.16. And then when you add it to the 5.2, you line up your decimals. So those 2 steps there are the steps I've been seeing the most mistakes on. People either putting 1.6 when they do the multiplication or not lining up the decimals when they do the addition. Then last step, you got to divide by our denominator there, the 0.4. When we're dividing, decimal moves 1 spot on the outside to make that a whole number. Does the same on the inside. 4, 5 once. Goes into 13 3 times. Goes into 16 4 times, so we get 13.4. Any questions on that one? That one should look familiar. That was number 2 from your homework. Go ahead and work it out again, though. Make sure you get the right answer. Store buys 75 hoodies from a manufacturer for $15.85 each. They sell 45 of the hoodies for $29.99. The remaining hoodies are then sold for $24.99. What's their store's total profit? Jacob, what you got? I'll take it. It's money, $910.50. All right, so first step, profit, money made minus money spent. So the money they're making is what they're selling it for. So these first 45 hoodies, they're selling for $29.99. So you do $29.99 minus $15.85. That gives you $14.14. That was 45 of the hoodies. So if we multiply by 45, that's going to tell us the profit for those 45. We put the decimal in the right spot, I get $636.30. That's the profit for those 45 hoodies. Do the exact same thing for the other hoodies. The only kind of tricky part is it says the remaining hoodies. So if they bought 75 and sold 45 there, the remaining hoodies is going to be 30 more hoodies. So for those remaining hoodies, that'd be $274.20. For the total profit then, it's just a matter of adding them up. So we got $636.30, $274.20, and that's how we get the $910.50. Any questions on that one? Few steps to it, but that's the basics on how those profit ones work. It's money made minus money spent. Your other option is you could always multiply first. That makes you end up multiplying a few extra times and subtracting with larger numbers. It's usually going to be easier if you subtract first. Okay?